Welcome back to the channel, distinguished viewers. Today we are not merely reviewing a motorhome, we are unveiling a terrestrial sanctuary of aristocratic engineering. The 2027 Cadillac Skylounge Motorhome. An opulent manifestation of mobility without limitation. At first encounter, the exterior presence is nothing short of imperious. The illuminated Cadillac crest radiates from a meticulously sculpted fascia, flanked by vertically oriented LED light signatures that slice through darkness with surgical precision. The expansive panoramic windshield merges harmoniously into an aerodynamically contoured roofline, crafting a silhouette that is both futuristic and regally composed. Upon entering the cabin, the atmosphere transitions from impressive to transcendent. The interior evokes the ambiance of a presidential penthouse suspended in motion. Supple hand-stitched Nappa leather, authentic open-pore timber veneers, and satin-brushed metallic inlays coalesce into an environment of curated refinement. Above, the namesake Skylounge panoramic glass ceiling employs electrochromic technology. The primary lounge seating comprises fully reclining executive thrones equipped with heating, ventilation, and multi-point massage functionality. A retractable 65-inch 8K ultra-definition display ascends seamlessly from a handcrafted console, complemented by an immersive three-dimensional surround audio system engineered for concert-level acoustics. Progressing rearward, the master suite embodies tranquil extravagance. A king-dimension memory foam bed rests beneath a bespoke starlit headliner, evoking celestial serenity. Automated partition doors ensure uncompromised privacy. The adjoining spa-inspired lavatory integrates a rainfall shower system, a digital smart mirror interface, and premium brushed nickel fixtures, each component curated to deliver a ritual of rejuvenation rather than mere utility. Beneath the commanding exterior resides a formidable yet refined powertrain. A 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged V8 harmonized with an advanced hybrid assist system. This synthesis yields commanding torque and measured efficiency, ensuring that mass never translates to lethargy. The adaptive air suspension architecture glides with balletic composure, while intelligent all-wheel drive distribution sustains traction across diverse terrains. Safety, as anticipated from Cadillac's technological ethos, is uncompromising. The Skylounge integrates Level 3 semi-autonomous driving capabilities, inclusive of adaptive cruise governance with lane-centering intelligence, a comprehensive 360-degree camera array, infrared night vision augmentation, blind spot surveillance, predictive collision mitigation, and autonomous emergency braking converge to construct a vigilant cocoon of protection. In terms of financial commitment, the 2027 Cadillac Skylounge Motorhome is anticipated to commence at approximately $450,000, with bespoke personalization options propelling valuations significantly higher. Yet such an acquisition transcends price. It is an investment in experiential supremacy. In summation, the 2027 Cadillac Skylounge Motorhome is not simply a vehicle. It is a proclamation of discernment, ambition, and cultivated taste. Its commanding exterior architecture, palatial interior craftsmanship, formidable performance engineering, and avant-garde safety technologies collectively redefine the parameters of luxury mobility. If this exploration into elevated travel has captivated your imagination, ensure you subscribe, engage with the video, and activate notifications for future unveilings of automotive grandeur. Share your reflections below. Would you command this rolling sanctuary across continents? Until our next encounter, travel ambitiously and dream expansively.